Take on concrete, asphalt, tile, and more with Tomahawk Demolition Hammers. Its 1500-watt motor delivers 1800 high-impact blows per minute, giving you the force and precision needed to tear through tough materials quickly. Carefully unbox the hammer and confirm all accessories are included. First, remove the oil gauge with the provided wrench and fill the unit with 5 ounces of SAE 75W90 gear oil. Once filled, securely reattach the oil gauge. To install a chisel, begin by turning the stop lever 180 degrees clockwise. Insert the chisel into the hex opening and make sure it's seated fully. Then turn the stop lever back halfway in the opposite direction to securely lock the chisel in place. Your Tomahawk Demolition Hammer is built to handle the toughest jobs with ease, delivering the power, precision, and reliability you need. For more expert tips and ongoing support, click subscribe today.